na masibitari Lenyagi sports we no mongatu the two number chakungana no to kairo no mongatu run still the governors cup run another year so jamoja mantu jara pumba ko kuatra overview do tutato nyana iki budget to didia budget to medoma okambitaja mbwira na ndikira kiongo gya tonya budget ine kira gutedia mwananchi
of course na tukuwatanira na bwana Moses Bayenia bwana utere ya kumatura huku madhirikari ne but thank you na karibu sana.
Asante Martin. Ka me tembe hatukombe ultimero sasa mtu mjengo ne ukiona kanya kuringa kelele muno
the last time tu arena wow ulikuwa unateta sana leo are unionist is karibu sana.
Asante sana.
So tuna chairman na chairman akuweta mantu ya tukwarira chama to ya budget actually bere okinya tutireta bonene sana na kwendekithia chibitari tumaira mbecha iri kuthurwa ni chibitari with the FIF kitty. How dangerous or important is this?
Kembere Martin mzuri muno chibitari chomba kwethira chitegemea na chithini kumba kwethira ini kumba run. FIF mostly they run ya ensure kwena those other issues there in the next bitari. For example, they are korea casuals, kwena korea the sabuni arora, kwena facilities on to level 5 ni kumba sometimes ko argument kila county kureta. It's a good idea because batu ki health ko yoto ta health financing na kuna yoto ta sources of money imonira allocation ya count ya nini ya tax for through budget ya assembly kwenye out of pocket collection kwenye insurance na other donor funds ila chomba kwa dhikia ndene machibitari yetu. So hii program tumbete kwa tukianjiria tuona au facilities hicho mbige kwa dhikia collect these resources but kwenye disclaimer because ito batere ko balance not only a probability to ensure that sustainability of facility it's properly kai kwa achieved ni onto sometimes about trima kether niki government allocation it is there enough all everywhere in the world it is there enough so ito batire kwetha tukialilia bora tumbie kwetha tukireta other players they donor funds to they tukureta insurances for example SHA angorendula tumetha utumira SHA Shani kuitangwe.
Mungu ameniweka safe.
Asante. Shukuru Mungu.
Lakini I can tell you kure itari mwende radio tumira ndari na mwache somewhere. Instance mbere ne wakire kire admission weta kuma mo chibitari but then turi choka chibitari ringi after some time tuerwa unless together three civil servants. Irio tumba kwa I think dawa stuff.
Okay, kwena some few challenges chia SHA almost 5% but 95% ni witangwe na ikie tumekuwa na mheshimiwa wa kwa FIF ne okira tiati okira ni onto bongi iri okira ni onto aje baba ite machibitari ba tumira SHA chibitari ni komba kwa thikiona mbesi nyingi muno for example ya Lare is a dispensary lakini iba kubwithia quarter within 3 months iba kubwithia budget ya 4 million 5 million out of mbesi riko yeni na SHA so okatrima area ranto ba embrace te SHA na ba ito tumira chibitari chocha matore neni kwethire ki china be enough chombike uchiori ndawa lakini nacho otrime kwena some areas ando batera embrace SHA kwa trima such a dispensary can disadvantaged eketha itena proper location ya thirikari nonto bateona dawa in that area na chibitari tomba wichiora for example weta the lower zones ya tigania na ranto bateri registered ibande bateomba utumira SHA so watu ikachibitari chiondo cha that area china very poor collection
so mbere mpitaki mheshimiwa I happened kwithwa again ndina mtu ndetite ushugulikira chibitari again maua level 4 Nyambene level 4 mawa and tewita kwira ndawa twero kutina ndawa, so I made some calls ndaringira mtomo wa county ambira tutina ndawa nontosha itira atorea itukurandura sha, I don't know how many millions, so it's contradicting.
Nonere chibitari to wako ya 100 million.
Yeah, of course, it
Very
looks
nice,
beautiful. Yeah.
None CT scan to ikira ko.
It was before CT scan.
Before CT scan.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think it's unfortunate that incident in Akarikere, but chibitari imwe ile ikomba ku sustain. Ni ile ikomba wichore ndawa among them. Nyambene. Nyambene ni kwithena ka collection kakeya. Actually ina 0 rejections tia sha. Na nango ketha ndawa wa
zero rejection iko manshata.
Kuna yo trima sometimes kesha system wa trima kuna claims iko rejected.
Yeah.
But for them they are doing very perfect job. Na the rejections bago da baina chio. Ko claims yo niko ya niko reora nango ketha ina delay. So nango ketha ndawa ba andikirwe ikethera ndawa itare kurwa nonto sometimes meako na level ya chibitari kwa na Martin.
I expect chibitari basic ikethra yena antibiotics mheshimiwa. Antibiotics ni dawa itibati kura in any basic health facility. Leave alone a level 4.
Ntewe maneko andikirwe but Nyambene ko all basic drugs are there.
Yeah.
Nango thora andikirwe kwa uma
kana chidro chiajire after day kuma.
Thora andikirwe Kenyatta lakini all basic drugs Nyambene is one of the best facilities itowachenda.
Mheshimiwa wakasi uko tumira sha anyway maybe.
Sha ni vitanguke Martin. Anto abendio mkwatani muno na siasa. Unfortunately. Lakini ko ni kucheza pia na maisha yantu na unimbuwa mwana siasa oro wa kirwana sha. Uti muchoro wana nchi no tunandiri NHIF ni adirire. So urega mwananchi ya atonya sha na uwe mwana siasa we kavand una mendiko kavenene
ingenye private nene
so mwana siasa okurwana sha uti muchoro mwananchi ina challenges ile na chio sha ugata hospitali jama inge is working na watu ka revenue meru level 6 revenue yao ali mbele it was about 450 million eu meru general embo clockinya 1 billion dizo nimbi isha so challenges in alireo shane gutango Martin kuna challenges
Cambodia chibitari kwethwa yena such huge collections. Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing no tunande it means haje bara bareta mbele chibitari bakanengero ndawa utheri no boba baguita na bakalero mbese wisha. So it's a good thing. Hospitali kiende hospitali chetu chumba gukira. Tekuwa ni agonjwa mbu abakuongera. And tubati kutukani in that line.
Because that is the line I'm thinking.
Tubati kuchira agonjwa baba eta level 6 yetu. Baba eta ambere beta services bimbi wa free. Okay wandawa free na ite a compensated by anything. Lakini ayo rito wa wandawa shanyo na mama shanyo je kaleha. You know, it's a good thing for hospitals.
Okay.
Yes.
Ndula antadharia mheshimiwa kidogo. FIF itawa Facility Improvement Fund.
Yes.
So ke Facility Improvement Fund iwe FIF mbechira to collect ndene ya machibitari tuira facilities iba prioritize development ndene chibitari uchio iba prioritize kurandawa ndene facilities nikenda mwachia mba kuthakiona service. For example, a level 5 itwakite inpatient block ya cancer patient ya almost 7 million na mbechi chion they collected on the chibitari. Reno unit and dialysis itwangelete machine kurokia machine mwanja ukurokira collection icha chibitari. Kwena staff ira andika for example level 5 twina rutibango almost 2000 bari wa through collections ira chigotate chikwa collected those facilities. Kwena staff bara sometimes in to shortage wati ma facilities ni kuomba kwethira ikichi andikira a few professionals babo batethede kwetha bakiona bakiruta ngui ndene machibitara nikenda aje bomba kwethiwa kundumia mzuri so kwethira facilities che collect resources enough it is a good thing because kwegon kwere allocation through tax ira mheshimiwa bataba kabuithia budget is not sufficient so ilazima twalele all sources of funding ikuya for example twetha government allocation sufficient ira thirikari kuomba twetha twena collections in the facility out of pocket through insurances ira na niono to encourage insurances especially SHA mwananchi wonde ombe kutha register nunto register ke peke yake weta chibitaye kuna basic examination basic treatment nuko meona otheri Rewa and advanced treatment ilio kwero now you need to top up kan kunindi kore
so mweshi we ya health worker SHA na NHIF nere ko effective.
I advocate so much for SHA.
Well, yeah, you
For
advocate
this
for
reason,
SHA because the NHIF ne dire I'm
For
just
this
asking
reason.
nere kuona ere effective.
For this
compared-
reason.
Yeah.
Only rutangwe in the public sector.
Yeah.
I know also okay private I understand so much. The biggest difference between SHA na NHIF nere ongoiria mono. NHIF yari one package. Na mtu wonde wari na NHIF I prefer private hospital. Mamilioni ya yonthe kuibo yakiendene machibitari yetu public yonthe yeta private hospitals. Nibo nto yeta yonto ya Meru Town every tall building has got a private hospital. Nonto boy
Sad, right?
NHIF ino ikatie mamilioni ya yonthe 190 ba ikatie mbechi huko. But now with the SHA iriwa priority mbere anjiriri na public hospital. Whether in a public hospital ibo nto mamilioni yako ya na itukomba kwetha tuki improve facilities chetu as much as anto ibaningete siasa nyingi urogoringa siasa mtu rote tumera SHA munyoro ntao na tumirite SHA ora aina insurance ina na mnona eta
Ujai
lada
muona hata hospitali.
na sijai muona hospitali
Exactly. So kesa tamuona hospitali atumirana.
so and for sure with the SHA tukomba ko change the few things here and there it will be a good thing ke public sector
Yeah.
healthcare service
Mwesh wethwania uchirero kwa budget yenu ya affected bwana atia health administration.
Temono nonto kinya gwatu ka budget na nditu turamukrukirie kinya tukela itegoro within that financial year still the ambacho chikela chile available
Yeah.
we expend immediately ikijambe chikeja after July na ara August ilo mbechi yuko naka no kumenya anytime thirikari ni chara kwa financial year ya thire kiambiria there's delays ya mbecha kuambiria kuja mbecha wala tumekurukia baiji kana tumekurukia July mbecha thirikari kuambiria kuja kairichi ya mantu ya development na manzo ya machibitari nyanja chiandawa no September na ara October.
So delay kana whatever is happening ni fault yenu kana ni fault ya executive.
The fault ya otuango blame yangu. It's an agreement.
How is it an agreement to share the budget?
This executive no tokara kodoma from the same page na executive mantu ne budget then we never have a budget. Igwetikaniria ora ngwire tugetikaniria no tukuwe na pending bills irio cha mwaka juju la thirikari na tukwenda kuchirund kenda chithira chumba kwambira kulwa mapema no mwana icho meru tutedia tuga tu kurukia budget mbere ya financial year thira it's okay lakini atugeta nayo karandika iri October twambire kuthia supplementary ingi twathe supplementary iwe ga take you mweri na nusu ikinya kurundika iri tutamieri iri so ka bantu tutamieri iri na October itute mweri jumwa thaiji na tutwambiria ku expend gutumira mbecha to flow because no kuna
so exactly turirira budget
budget mwisho wa mwezi wa July tukatuna budget
that's uko ni mbali
asimbali yes
tarakanithi bathomere yo June
ya lakini nyambecha bathomete umbecha bakambiria kuona mbecha ri the same time na batu akuruke July mbecha kambiria ku the same time yes
bayene ndo kuona yaka ya bo affect in any way bakosa yenu as executive
tia kuna makosa ya bwana Ndula na tota complain I don't know why uko na hii issue.
Yeah.
Nuntu services ino ikuendelea.
Yeah.
For example, nindo gamirite infrastructure na ngoitie twira nuntu already you have agreed the project yato ko with this financial year. Kuna process ile ta bere
First of all, health administration ina involve nini?
Director health administration majorly ndo gamirite dina part ya human resource, dina communications ya health, dina infrastructure which is the major responsibility irambe thandinio kurungamira in terms of transport ya department and other administrative functions.
So now that to the 2026 2027 na mero tutira kinyau to the bado kiri 2025 2026, how bad is this kiri department yevu
in terms of delay ya budget?
Yep.
There's no problem because ora mheshimiwa eleza kinyo kolokia budget yeku June mbere omelond na control of budget ame approve ame item by item point by point comma by comma mbere achi pitia chione achi alelia ni ukachia almost 2 months ni bonto kwenda kuna issues between one financial year to the next financial year. So bado to collocate yeto July noro akolokire June twinde tore omwe because ko utilize that budget yanjairia between mweri ya 8 na mweri ya 9 most of the time. So tia kuna any delay in terms of service delivery. Services ikaendelea smoothly. Kedha maendeleo tukaendelea ora turabwithatie because contractors batari kengwechio by still on the site. Barabero nabo don't already have agreed the project ni tukomea how much is being allocated. Tukanjiria process ya to ensure that now the procurement process is here, the new project ikwanjiriria. So we kinya payment ya project otemeo mere immediately ni yukachi almost 3-4 months before execute. So payment ikanji almost mori ya 10 December. So meaning by that time budget ikethera akorokirwe na already to utilize the budget.
Mwesh, this is my thinking ya mwananchi wa kawaida, an ignorant common mwananchi utekumenya burama antu yeta mimi from where I sit ndethwani atire budget yenu nondu butira mithoma, say for example ira Tharaka-Nithi bathomere yo ni kumaanisha ati ya Tharaka-Nithi nieka approve mbere ni COB, because I think again from an ignorant point of view ati COB aka approve budget on first come first served basis.
No bedre bembere na bakarigia
out
ne kurukia budget is one thing na ukinyira budget ya approved ni controller na ya loan to the treasury is another thing. Kuna back and forth budget yete tatu ita direct na rondo na budget ile ba michoki no monga bachokwe pero rekebisha utomba kudia budget ile perfect ile yako kuchokwa ni controller enda mrekebisha hapa tukwenda, so it takes some time ikinya kwa londe na inene case Martin aku ni beja chemiru chimba guta Tharaka-Nithi no Tharaka-Nithi imbere the allocation yetu emiru
tiumba, but we understand that mbecha iki hakuna mwaka kaichoka or something
mbecha thirikari nonga chiri current mbecha cha development they always be loaded to the next financial year. No monka ikeja
actually development icho
cha development yuthe na recurrent ni atwira thina lakini nyana ndi ni iba approve kwa tuka kinya recurrent ikethere na rorwa. So nare kudra Tharaka-Nithi ni dire budget mbere yetu okay tegwa mbeja chetu chemiro menyeire ho na ora point irangu ndo mwananchi ya ni kuithira mbeja cia thirikari kiambiria kuja cia maendeleo mishara kethe kija tu no tutire mishara salary kethe kija lakini mbeja ile chumba kudha china ndile kidogo ni cia development na eu affect county chionde they affected go mbeja kiambiria kuja cia counties ni September au October au sio kiambiria go inyatu kadha tuthiritie June muntu muthikira ndenda amenya mbeja chikija kwambira kuja to take a while. Yes.
Speaking of recurrent daktari, kuringana na report ya Auditor General ni ati bwatumire nkulukia nusu billion kiri travels the first month ya mwaka ya 2025-2026. How is this? Kiri travels 90 million ya mbeche hii ni foreign travels.
Ante wana director
No achoki kinyano te thirikari ni.
Ibu akare from where I leave it, but
Please.
ande mwananchi report hichi ya controller chi ya controller akienda kuoni antu mbecha ni chutumirwa antu kumara antu but controller wengo no approve it mbechi you chi foreign travel no approve it local trips no approve it so kadha no approve mbecha chi ya international travel niki yo kuanda condemonize gutumira kwa mbechi na no gwo kurukire
Well, I don't think actually ka ko demonize utumira kwa mbecha hii ka utweka tu wero ni atire 515 million ichi atumikire kiri travels county Meru
na no wengo abati kubura budget chi arundi abati kubura atire Meru ni kirite 90 million cha foreign travel ni kirite 10 million cha local travel na imba approve it because niki go Martin kada mbecha chi approve controller wengo approve it mbecha chi cha foreign travel chigeta foreign travel kenda atumba ateja ku ambanje tita absorbed so kada chi ona ni provident for na approve the controller the means antu babati with for foreign travel for instance mbecha chi to assembly hotel development
yeah.
Mbecha chi assembly ni chia welfare members na facility ngugi committee chumba guitangugi so mbecha actually tuenda tutumira mbecha monga idira chionde tutumira mbecha idira no ngugi mbecha bati kuda igita the child development ina mwananchi na bati kumenya assembly hotel mbecha ya wachia guitangugi ya barabara for instance kana kuikira roje mbecha assembly ni kwa facility ngugi.
There's a better way of doing it, Mheshimiwa Chairman, because no tunichie no mwanka botumire chonde idire because chonde ni chia recurrent, right? So there's a better way of doing it kuinisha kienda imwa ichieta kiri maendeleo anto abunenkerwa billion anto abunenkerwa billion ila bunenkairwa bukanenkerwa like 800
ona bro watu tu chia settings ila si kiri ni idrikari tite assembly ikirite it's an act of the National Assembly na ya kurugwa watu ka ceiling ya assembly is 1 billion and something ahora ceiling chang ni inge chikiri so tu chiaro kita becha utu bora becha ila batu kutumira is 1 billion then una ndito kuma isha kutumira within the committees kenda committee chumba ku facilitate chumba kuitanguki te tu chia becha so rande no ngauga excheck na ara wengwa control anyi becha but the act is bejicho chikiri chamiro this is your ceiling so tumbo spending kuruki mbechi kuruki mbechi
so in short sheria cheto ira chekeri ni chotumira becha well not very effectively.
Ambu Martin, one thing ke traveling for example ya ogwe no jango ina rukiri no ka no goro ngwetikia kumara no tubichia na kwa numa ngari no kara mauta no atala ngara mera ondo tumaira mwaka mweri kana mwaka ya ko travel kuma muche kwa nu yango ine kinyo ngomba wistoka ngwetiga taringa dabrio.
Well, I make sure ankari yako ina job nte ana mtu ate na ngichoka.
So now for example local traveling bwana Ndula Department ya Health mwaka yote dhidi ya financial year ito area project 73 across the county ki project ni kwenda monitoring ni kwenda engineers ba kinyara ba lele project ya endelete hata contractor ebuthi hata imo contractor kwa kwa kanto ka mbangara tania yo ni bombonera bombira hata ure kuendelea na tu kwenda the quality of the job so movement you across the county ilazima tuatumira mauta ya ngari na timbese kidogo naona mauta yetu hata ya itetie so ukona those bechi yetu tumira kitu local traveling and what imauta yao tumika weta ku inspect those projects na kwalile then ni kuendelea wiki ya contractors on the ground nienda utombo twira batu turi turungamirite twanjire kuringa thimu twamuri no kinya ndingira video ntena mauta ni untu mwananchi ngokera yaku itutumira mauta tumira video balele iro tukaitha twena substandard projects ndene ya county yetu so movement ya ni international mheshimiwa ndabaita nara kwina those donors bakureta and I can tell you for example twina so many projects tukomba kwitha tukibithio even ni donors na supporters twina WHO ibo tubithia some programs and then Meru County twina so many other people who are coming through no me one of the biggest challenge itaria twari na governor orora umire ora mheshimiwa bamwira na uruke kidogo tutari na any fund ya kumandona kana anybody partner no ntobonde ya Meru baita bakaura so mheshimiwa na executive barenda baita across the world babaira itu atinchirie na itu abwire
really no
hiyo ndipo tutetheria waka Meru
kira argument kama hiyo daktari
yeah you can see go look at nowadays gavana kako receive visitors all over beyete kuwa ito kwenda waka Meru lakini mbele ne mheshimiwa na kumenya tutege ole mtu yo then we need to go and remind them
ate ibura chenjiri otageria
chenjiri thirikari
so mwesh 2025 bodhuranirie mbechi yana chawoti Meru less FIF
uruka chia own source revenue revenue board 380 I think it is 385
let's put it 390
yes
so now kuiko maanisha ati twatumire mbecha nyingi kiri travels nkulukia ira twathuranire choti
oka put in that perspective ira chia tumiro ndo kumara inkurukia ira chioji ni for own source revenue no that's a fact lakini tiago
you know we call that kiri rito athoma kintu tweta commerce by the alikuwa mono yangu ke commerce teguma bamberio meta business studies twathoma kintu kieta wa living beyond your means ne ukiria wa mochara yo ngiri 25 no tumira we na expenses chia ngiri 40
nando utino mama tinande na kuin mantuja finances check county utino we di no monka withdraw kyo ja mbejiji kenda umara it's a budget as been
no what I'm talking about ne you see mheshimiwa itumikia budget again from where I sit ni kubanga kuhakikisha ati mbecha ni weta to effective use so how effective are these travels kando na daktari au mbele ati boetre kuwa bo change otageria
government on by China the other day na when it
how much did that trip bring to Meru
there's a lot no tunaye government igiruga mantuja avocado oga there's a big market ya avocado na actually those Chinese babati kuja aja Meru tukumiri aruga abakeja Meru na etumbion media ntogira doko ya avocado nara ni nene sana na ndi back to where we were manjara to kwara area atu na dina na revenue board na collection ya mbejira revenue kuoja the revenue board ile kuoja na bado tu comfortable actually mbejira menya revenue board kuoja na michara ya actually ni obati ku michara ya baba kuoja is almost equivalent kinga nene so to an issue na
again it does not make economic sense
yes I agree with you absolutely so na ndine so antu revenue boga bate andikiri directors enacting capacity so governor na ukira nande ngugitia directors ichi advertise but advisory yetu tuli assembly bakandi on contractual basis kendo mago na performance contract wala mago ke revenue time yenu ya expire utiko renew kenda nande Meru tumba kuda itukoja revenue iriogoro capacity yetu ni 3 billion kuna a lot of leakages ango na gutikana
I agree with you
there's a lot of leakages but we bado tuna confidence na chia ora weo Bishop Buria tuna confidence na tuna confidence there will be improvement
asiyo
na na somebody about the chair and because CEO Natwere has been there miaka iwa kalite ora kini tutikuona changes bwana directors be changes ikoneka at that point lakini yes you needs to do a lot miaka iwa karo tuoja Martin between 380 million to 390 million.
You know, I
can't. That's a fact.
But as you figure out how we collect 380 million mwaka yomomerwe
yes.
So
another recommendation to any ole walirejo bwana Andura. Itukudugania Meru municipality. Ine nkerwe full mandate na autonomy. Ya ukiri town na kuoja revenue. A town because the municipality has been allowed by law. Na wali na mbundi area pakura bena capacity ya kuoja bo mutindo aja 1 billion. So kire budget yetu etite itu kudugana, that is one of the recommendation yetu etite kudhidia. Municipality ya embeza chiayo na so bit of it ikatonya kire account treasury wingi baka gatumira on their day to day running na event na kurinyanga hali na kuoja mati and to make the town look as it is. So no tutu that kinyagi is the status we need this municipality bere makwambira na municipality ya Mutini kuna a lot of leakages
that city status I think ni rware tubati kubangira a whole like 2 hours ya kwaria but bayeni atukere mantu ya leakages itari mwe mporo wire mukonga yoki akuma rowe na yoki akwira kingangi kya itwe you have no reason to doubt. Well, mathematically might not make sense kire dhaburia your former colleague wakili Maranya, but na raleji akawate meru kuthura na sure 5 million daily but 2.5 yeta chondo ne bianto ejini mochi ya leakages ira chomba kwethura ikiumaira kire uthura ne bohoti.
Bwana Dula, Maranya is a friend of mine, but I'm advise something respectively. Okay, the way your opportunity ya to make a change. If you don't make a change, there always it there's a problem. One, ndone post yewe contract ya mutambo ya collect revenue ya anjiro 2023. I believe governor Atari could then.
Nari deputy.
He knows who was the governor by then. Or you know the battles which were there. Thirikari arana ni the former na governor na reo tengo. So now you can't accuse him. So ukaitha kwina any problems Maranya on that time nabatire kwanjira utura mbere the under county secretary, these are the changes I achieved. Wature I tried, tell us what you achieved. Two, they were executed in the service because I know Maranya taibo governor mobuta. The talk was kaibutere ka resign. So you should tell us what did you do and why you failed to do it before you start blaming others. Nonto an accusation of such magnitude ingoti kinyanga bana wangu akimenya mutambo yobuthirwe ni the former you na such problems ntewetikia yake ora Maranya nonto wabu kai mwira my brother help me to solve that problem. So kako blame the wrong person for the wrong presumed problem.
So are you ko witikiri ati kuri manto ntayo karika kana?
He is the one who is alleging, so he should prove.
From where you see, do you think kuna search?
Nta with that analysis ya mutambo yo, lakini akadha with it na then evidence. In fact, governor will be very willing akadha kima kuna such leakage irio. Akana that evidence, akaonania na we change, do the change.
Mush, this is where you come in now, your oversight body. Kwena kura kwa mbecha in that
tutumba kukuleo kana tutumba kuteo manjajo on the subject to investigation na batu tula assembly tuku waziri kaduna tuire na tusukumite muno mutambo juu tuleta new system ewe silicon natoa kura mutambo I think 73 million or something. That was the cost. Now this new system ikatutedia kuongera revenue collection. Natuora na assembly tu ndejo this system non tu kuongera katumu atukuruki so tulipitisha na tukapeana pesa na system ya Reto Enjeru lakini utemwanya there's no difference between then na Nandi kwa na so na ituetie system audit so tukuwa na system audit na emanto jau maranya kwaria na jau nyani ngwale nguwa kuna likinjezi membi ko likinjezi chumba kuda chiri system ireku tenda ko different system uni Martin so tukuwa na system audit mtu very independent na we are calling though system we go expire contract go expire in September not long from now
hopefully mantu ya change. Thank you very much gentlemen nonto bwa kuona kanya asante sana mheshimiwa toka litwaririe mantu ya Nkobo because nilisikia mateta hapa na pale Nkobo municipality unfortunately computer kayo twinga asante sana mheshimiwa Martin Makasi wa Nkobo na chairman wa budget. Thank you very much bwana Moses Bayero Classifieds.
Okay, game imejipa. Jazz.
Abantu baranende bethera bendi na kinyote yo bunene ni akenke kana kanini ndene mujie na kiume kinende kimubango yo woitene tuketha tugitarara kuokoni okungwira gakenke okulukira chiwa biranende tuketha kinya tukimenyetha kwa iwa bobongo bethera bakia nabyo tumiraika witatea
kuru ni antu bari thoni muno ni antu baike